Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, in front of you HP Smart Tank 515 printer. In this video we will learn how to reset wireless settings in this printer. If you want to remove all previous network settings, if the printer is connected with the old Wi-Fi, you want to change the Wi-Fi network or factory reset all network settings. How to do this in this printer? Just stay with me and watch the combination of the buttons. With the help of you can reset the wireless settings, factory reset. You have to press cancel button and wireless button both simultaneously together for 5 seconds. Okay, I will press and these two buttons for 5 seconds until we will see this power light will start flashing. Now there is no Wi-Fi signals here also. It means that Wi-Fi is disabled or disconnected to the previous Wi-Fi. But now I will do what? I will press cancel button and wireless button together for 5 seconds. 3, 4, leave. Now you can see Wi-Fi signals are blinking. The wireless settings has been resetted successfully. Now you can set up a new wireless with this printer. I have another video, I will share the link also in the end of the video. You can set up this printer with your Wi-Fi router, new Wi-Fi router, and with the new application, HP Smart application. Hope you understand how to reset the factory reset wireless settings. If you have any other question, ask in the comments. Subscribe.